everyone, this is Shireen, owner and founder of Justeliving Naturals, here with another video. And I noticed that we received a few new followers, so I wanted to say thank you and welcome. If you are watching this video for the first time and this is your first experience with Justeliving Naturals, I wanted to say hi, and don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can see new videos when they are posted. So let's get right down to it. So I've been seeing all these videos and posts about wrapping your hair, and I don't know if I have two left hands or what the deal is, but doing a head wrap has been quite challenging for me. But the other day I was not in the mood to do my hair and it looked ratchet. That's the best word I can say. So I needed to go out. I needed to go to the post office to drop off some orders and things of that nature. And I was like, what am I going to do with my hair? So I tried a thing. And you guys know how I like to try a thing. And it was successful. So today I said, let me post a video, a quick tutorial of what I did. This is for the not so clever naturalista who wants to learn how to do a simple head wrap just to get out the house. Okay, so I have my hair in some flat twist braid type thing, so excuse the look. So obviously this is not ready for the world. This is my I don't want to deal with you right now braids and twists. They're kind of old, but and again I'm having that same hair loss issue, so I've been trying to keep up with my hair growth oil. So anyway, so first thing you want to do is to make sure you catch your hair up into some sort of into one, right? A little ponytail or whatever. And this is what I see them doing, is to make sure like your ends are tucked under, kind of like that. And this is my head wrap that I'm using. I've had this scarf for the longest time. And no, it's not satin, and I know that's not good, but that's not what we're talking about today. Today, we're just learning a simple head wrap for the more challenging folks, right? Okay, so you put it in half and you have it, two-sided. Put it to the back. I'm gonna make a knot. Okay, now I have an issue with, I get headaches if things are too tight on my head. So I can't wear headbands and those kinds of things. So I was so surprised when this did not give me a headache. So I do one tie, and then I take, and you're taking it and you're twisting it. And then you want to make sure that the back is like, I don't know if you can see, but it needs to be covered. So whatever you got to do, manipulate to make sure it's covered. And then you take one side, pull it across, and find somewhere in the back to tuck in the end. Okay? Then do the same here. You're just twisting it. Twist. All right, and then I place it like right here. And then I tuck in the ends. It's that simple. 1, 2, 3. You can wear it like that. Seeing where they kind of like ease it off a bit off of your head, so you're exposing a little of your hair. Really your choice, personal preferences. It doesn't matter to me. I'm such a simple person. I'm just like, as long as I look decent going out the road, I don't care. All right, so there you have it. How do I look? I'll give you a little. And there you have it, a simple quick video of how to do a simple quick head wrap. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to have more content for you. So again, if you are new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.